So I've got myself some patterns and I'm going to show you the new ones that I've got. So these are the patterns that were in that big box. I'm going to open these up. These are from King Cole. Now I do mostly crochet. Now just recently King Cole have brought out a lot of beautiful knitting patterns as well as crochet. Look at this. Now it says double knit up here. That is, it doesn't mean it's for knitting, it just means it's double knit yarn. And double knit yarn in the UK for the USA is weight 3 yarn. Now you can use other King Cole patterns for their yarn. You can use these patterns for lots of different yarns as well. Now this is a crochet one. Look at these. These are beautiful. Now that is the front of it. I think I've got most of them round the wrong way. Are they back to front? I think most of these are back to front. Are they? Yeah, they are. A little Christmas one there. So this is a little jacket and it says from newborn up to 4 years. I need to bring my video up a little bit, my camera. Now hopefully that'll be better. Now these patterns, a lot of them you get more than one pattern in it. So you don't need to. You can use other yarns for these. Look at this. There's a little one that's got a hoodie with no sleeves. There's this really pretty one with these flowers, but don't think, oh, those are just for girls. They're not. You don't need to do those flowers. So you don't need to do those little flowers. Extra rows to take up that space, and you can do them plain. So each round with there is, I think that's 2 rows with each of those. So you don't need, you can chop and change it. You don't need to do it like that. So these ones are, that's a V-neck, that's a hoodie, that's a round neck. That one's a round neck. So you can always find the size for that. And then the stitch count, you could put the hoodie on instead. You can try and mix and match them up. Now look at this little Christmassy one. This is with the DK truffle. It says DK and truffle. So they've used that fluffy truffle yarn. And I got some of the truffle glitz. So you can use that fluffy yarn around there and do a different colour in the middle. You can use a different yarn in the middle. And you don't need to do them like that. You can do that, you like that pattern, do it in any colour you want. You can do it in any colour you want. And on the other side, you've got a little coat. It's got a bigger border on it and a little hat. So you can either make it like Christmas, and if it's Easter, do it in lemon. If it's summer, do it in pink, do it in blue, do it in grey and blue, do it in black, do it in any colour you like. So this next one, oh, look at that. Now this is comfort, so there is a King Cole comfort yarn as well, but that would be really pretty done with that cutie pie that I got. Now there is a little sweater with a hood, and is that a little pocket? I think that's a little pocket. There's a couple of little dresses and another little cardigan. Do these any colour you want. You can do them any colour. I like that little hood. That would be nice just as a hat, wouldn't it? That'd be nice as a hat. And I'm sure with the stitch count on some of these, you could maybe put that hat, that hood, onto this one, because this has got a different hood. But you could maybe follow the pattern for that hood, if you're confident enough. Now that's what's on that one. Look at that. That is beautiful. So it does most of King Cole's patterns when you're looking at them, and you might think, I don't know if it's crochet. If you're looking through one of their books or online, crochet always says on it that it's crochet. If you see all of these ones, most of the time it'll tell you on the front that it's crochet, unless it's a booklet and it's got knitting and crochet, but it always tells you if your pattern is crochet or knitting. And you can always just look inside. If it says work in the UK, if it says work TR, or if it's got BC for, if it's got DC for a double crochet, or SC in America for single crochet, but knitting always usually says K1 or P1 or K2, P2. That's knit and purl. So most of knitting patterns, if you have a quick glimpse, you can tell whether it's knitting or crochet. But usually Kinko are really good, and they usually tell you on the front whether it's a crochet pattern or not. That is so pretty. Look at that. I might do that. I like that hat. Maybe do it in a different colour. I might do that hat and blanket. I like the little coat, but you can do a different style. If you think, oh, that's too girlish, you can pick a different one to go with it, with your yarn, and put that pattern in. Put the pattern in if you chose. Say if you chose something like that, you could work a way out to put that pattern in instead. And you've got your pattern, and there's a lot of these on sale, and the prices vary. And some of these ones, that when I was looking at them, even on Amazon, some of these were between £2.75 and up to £5, nearly £6. So patterns are getting quite expensive as well. So this one, it doesn't say age. It's got from 14 to 22 inches. That's 36 to 56 centimetres. That's really pretty. So there's no different ones on the back of that. You've got a hat, a top and a blanket. Now here's a boy's one, or a girl's one, gender neutral as well. That is so pretty with all those different colours. But you don't need to do it in that colour. You can do it any colour that you want. That's quite a simple little granny stitch there. That's very much like the stitch that I was doing my granny with a twist. That one. And then there's this blanket here. And this blanket's got all different stitches. So not only do you get the pattern for that blanket, you've got a way to do all these different stitches. Oh, look at that. There's little socks as well. Well, that little one's got socks on. So that's what all that pattern is really pretty. Look at all those different stitches that you could also learn to do. That is so nice. I like that wavy one. That's pretty. Nice and colourful. Now look at this one. That's very much the same little top as that one. Just very slight differences. Actually, I don't think so. I think the boots and the blanket are the same. Let's have a look. No, it's just done in a different yarn. What yarn is that telling you to use? This one is telling you, usually it'll tell you what the best yarn to use for it. And Kinko DK, it's just Kinko DK. Crochet and Kinko DK, so is that. But look at that, there's a different hat, but the little top and the socks are different. A lot of that blanket is the same, but then you've got that granny square right in the middle. That's nice. I like those colours of all that yellow and browns. It makes it like a banoffee colour, doesn't it? I like that little hat. Now I do have permission from Kinko to do to show the patterns as well, and even to show how to do some of the patterns. You might have a pattern and you don't know how to read it. There's a lot of people that don't know how to read patterns, and they really miss out on some really pretty designs. And King Cole says it's okay for me to show how to do some of these because I am in contact with King Cole. Look at that blanket. I like that. So there's a cherish and a cherished DK. That's pretty. See, you could still use different colours of it, like that one that I got. Now, what's next? Oh, look at these. Is this knitting? Oh, it's crochet. Look at these little boots. There's little shoes, little boots. There's none on the back in there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of little shoes. I like those little, they look like little sandals. I like those. I like those little basketball ones. They're pretty as well. And those little boots. Well, that'd be nice in that banoffee yarn that I use. What yarn is it telling you? Crocheting King Cole, just King Cole double knitting. You could try it with any of the King Cole yarns. Now look at this one. This is pretty. This is a V-neck. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. So you've got that cardigan and that little top. That's pretty. That's pretty. I like this one. Well, that's a different one. Oh, that one's nice. Look at that. I should have did that one like that. Look. You get that little jumper. I like the colours in that. It gives you ideas as well to use. You could do a blanket like that. There is a blanket there. That's there. And you've got that little jumper and a little hat to match. Now is the blanket. Ear flaps. Oh, the blanket is there as well. So you could actually do that blanket in the same colours that you're doing that. That looks like a V-stitch. That's been done in a V-stitch. I might try that in some of the, I like that. I might make that as well. So I might do that. You can do that without the ear flaps and just have it as a hat. This is pretty. We'll open this one up. It's better to see them like that, isn't it? That is pretty. Look at that. Now that's the cardigan there. Look at that cardigan. That is so pretty. And a pretty little dress and a little hat. Now it's telling you to try it with cherished and cherished DK. I think that one was the same. Is it not? Let's have a little look. King Cole Big Value Baby DK. So that's for their Big Value yarn. That's nice. I like that. And then, oh, a crochet baby book. Look at this. Over 20 adorable baby designs. There's no pictures on the back. I've just got a habit of going to the back of a book. Look at that. That is so pretty. Now, I know you can get this on Amazon. I've seen this on Amazon. I've seen it. Look at that. That is beautiful. I think on Amazon it's $11.99. That's good for over 20 patterns, especially in crochet, that you can totally adapt to different colours. That's very much like that other little one, that little pink one there. That's very much like that. It's very, very similar. I think it's done the same way. And then you've got that one. That's pretty. That's pretty. I've got that in a pattern on its own. Somewhere I've got that. And I like the stitches as well. That's pretty. I've done something very similar. I like that. Oh, that's nice. That's a basket weave. I like the little hat. That's so pretty, that. Look at the colours in that. That's so pretty. There's a little jumper. There's a little short sleeve one. A little bandana for your head. and you can do them in different colours. They don't all need to be for girls. That one's pretty. I've done something in that stitch, that there. Wait and I'll go and get my little dress that I've been making. And I didn't even use a pattern for it. Look at my adorable little dress. That's to go with the blanket and the hat that I made. That's the back of it. And I didn't even have a pattern. I just did that out of my head because I know how to do these round bits. And then I did the same pattern, that fan and cross stitch, on the bottom. I've already got the blanket for this on my channel and the hat. So I've got this dress still to do. By the time you see this video, this might already be on the channel. But it's so adaptable as well, because you don't need to do that as a dress. You can just come straight down with it and do it as a little cardigan as well. And it's a very, it's not quite the same pattern, but it's the same sort of idea. I'll pop that aside there. So once you learn to do one pattern, you can do lots. And now this is just all the actual pattern. And that's it. I know you can get that on Amazon as well. You can get a lot of these patterns on Amazon. So that is the patterns that I got in that box. So thank you for giving me your time. I do like these. And please, if you can subscribe to my channel for completely free. If you want to support the channel, there is a link underneath to my coffee page where you can donate the amount of a cup of coffee, and it helps the channel. It helps me to keep getting yarn and getting patterns and keep the channel running as well. Even just something as simple as the electricity bill, because it takes a bit of time, as most people who have a YouTube channel know. It does take time to do all this as well. So thank you and again, thank you so much for watching. If you click on that bell icon as well, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.